Hi, people. Yeah. Okay, today I'm going to show you what's in my purse and what my purse looks like because I just recently got a new one on my birthday. I am now 15. So far, being 15, I don't know, because this year has been really, really warm and just like, ew, that type of thing. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, jeez, there's like no light. Oh, go turn on this light. Yes, that helped so much. My little penny thingy, my bobber. Oh yeah, I also got a new bike. And, oh jeez, I don't even know if you can see that. But right here, between my fingers, is bruised. Here's my kit. So it shows up in a lot of pictures and stuff. So, thanks. Well, let's go question here then, I guess. Thanks. Every time I move, he moves. But it's okay. This is a Coach bag. I don't know what style. It has a strap, like, right here. That also has this, so you can. This is never easy working with one hand. So you can clip it on over there and use it as like a really, really long strap. And naturally that won't be like that, so it'll like longer. You can't take this part off, sadly, because I want it off so I can use these. It's these, but these can come off. That's about it. Fix this, like, it'll pee me off so bad. So, yeah. The straps in these can come off. There's like, because I don't know how people can do that. Like, you have that part like that, but. Oh, and on it has little Coach like name tag and stuff like that. And, like the back. The bag is only a few days old. Can't even open. So this is the inside. Like it got this. It's got just 2 pouches. Really big pouch right here. And it's like really plain. I have nothing put in there, and yet I have it. So, pretty much like that. What's on it is this thing. It says Coach. This is a Coach bag. It was handcrafted in the United States of completely natural. It looks like olive, but it looks like a love. I don't know. You can't even see that. Okay, so looks like, oh, glove tanned cowhide. The variations in time grain are characteristic of natural full grain leather. Number Coach. Coach is weird. You see my sexy tanning mess. That's what I called it. My godmother gave this to me. So, sorry, this is all like over there and everything. I got a bit of change, like 10 cents there. Woohoo! Like freaking rich. And this zips up, like, cause you can tell right there. This says Coach on, I think, both sides too. Yeah, it says Coach on both sides. I took it off actually by accident because back here it's a fairly large gap. So when I tried to open it, it was like came off. So yeah, and yeah, that's pissing me off. Because my cats and stuff. But inside of it, I have this, the tote bag it came in. It's like, doesn't say Coach on both sides, but you think it would. You can't even see anything out of it, but I mean, you can see through it. Anyway, I still have the silica gel in there, like, why do not eat don't obey that thing. So I'm just gonna fold up the Coach tote again. Okay, now I don't care if this thing is fake or if it is authentic or whatnot. I don't care. My godmother gave it to me and I freaking love it to bits. So yeah, she's been the one pretty much giving me all my purses in my life. I only have like 2. So she bought me my purses. So pretty much I'll have that tote bag, change, eyeliner. It's what is it again? From a London Exaggerate waterproof eye definer. Like, can't see that, but it is. This, I don't know if that's the color, like 261 Noir, but it's in black. This is the one with the smudge thing, like that, and it also has a sharpener on the back too. So I don't know how the heck that works. Like I won't use this just for the fact that I like my eyeliner to be round. And yeah, it's black. And I have, got it. Green is my favorite color. Volume Flash Max Bold Curves Extreme Volume Lift Mascara, again from Rimmel London. And yeah, it says big bold lashes of flash exponential volume and lift mascara. And it says in French. Then it's a number 1 or black. And yeah. I have this in my lip smackers, which is Lip Smackers Lip Brush Cool Cotton Candy. It's blue on the bottom and it's like a lava lamp. If you can see the blue just move. But this is like putting water, flavored water on your lips. I love it though, but it's like putting flavored water on your lips. They're really cute and really yummy. And yeah, that. I don't know how that happened. Actually, I really don't. But I don't want to take these off. I don't know why. Maybe I should take them off here. See what it looks like and see if it looks any less weird. I'm watching Treehouse because, like, I'm really warm and in a childish mood. So, oh my god, what the hell? Why aren't you saying like that? Okay. Oh, would you freak off? Stay down. Yay, one strap. It's probably just gonna look like a bag, like a shopping bag later. But what can you do, right? I'm actually doing pretty good for one hand. Because I'm using my right hand. There's my left hand to record. Woo, wooden strap. So, yeah, jeez. Now, if I take that off, this is going to come off with it. So, oh, well, that wasn't even strapped in. Whoops. See? Also, my godmother's motto is you can't have a purse without money. Sorry about that, but I need my other hand. Well, obviously in the booth or something for a second. This is really peeing me off. I'll take the other side of the strap off. Both hands too. Which is really weird because you never have to take anything off with both hands. Like shoes. Oh, wow. Well, I didn't even prone to like taking stuff off. I'll show you guys that soon so don't think that you've seen it. gonna look it up. Okay, now tell me, which looked first, like with or without? I mean, I like it better with the straps on. And see, it came off, like, This came from Texas, too. So, okay, yeah, so, like that. Pretty purse. It's the bottom, sides. Really plain, but I love it. So, I'm gonna put the straps back on when I'm done. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't mind me, my cat like freaking scratched my arm, so I keep looking at it. Tut, tut, tut. Oh, you can see it. Lovely. Oh well. See you guys.